Yo, Daddy Lumba, yeah, that's say. I feel no Johnny. I have NK97 TV Facebook Live. Sabre, ye pese ye din komo. Yama ye tiefo enyane entiye near air koso Ghana. I have media platform. We don't fake. Ye di bre obiano eye no kre. Na bibi wonso na be kire wadwena. Adwenkyere owe yesi eni baakufuo etrim. Ebe 30 minutes to come there. Yedi program we eye for Ghana political show. Na yebe kasa for politics no ho. Ye koso. And the Supreme Court akasa. Na na Supreme Court eka ho asem. Supreme Court edi ababe to just say Deputy Speakers of Parliament ombetimi ato aba. Ombetimi ato ababra insem bi ekoso parliament na obi pese o kire na adwene no deputy speakers no mienu nyina ewo akwanyan ewo ahwoden so se ombetimi ayre ato aba enti yebehwa ebeye bosumi be mienu miensa enan ne enum a atwamu yi penche a ema no ho so ewo Ghana Parliament ebra na yewura Joseph Osei Owusu no do na friend Joe Wise ebra na o kire na opeso kire na adwene no to aba e de ko ba bi opeso de ko no efise ye nyina ye ditum se Joseph Osei Owusu odi bekwaifo anim na bekwaifo so entina oba parliament your constitution eso kire ye se the main speaker of parliament no ye nyini free parliament ye nyini free abontene ana sese ye betimi kura zo yi na free emrase bedwom ho a agi so de nakunya no eden eto ho ansa na yetimi apaw no eno na nam so ama yewra Joseph Osei Owusu menua ba Juliana Osei Atwi I love you sister eno na enam so ama Joseph Osei Owusu ade beto ho so say ni speakership no ensi no ho kwan so obeto aba na ye nyina ye ditum se sa dwumadi ko so bra Joseph Osei Owusu eye na adwo so opeso oto aba na NDC for eye akwanside ede ma no na abato no antimi amaso papa yi kire na adwene e continue kire na adwene se emremu no owo ho kwan eso oto aba nanso o hwese ne na ekoso Ghana Parliament a penche no na ano odene ni nyina nkamfu ano ye wo Hans Parliament it's your number no MPP number any NDC number no 137 okro pe ene be frame eye fobe na independent from na ye kana asem so no ye MPP ni mapa na bibia e ho nti ene ma okoye independent ni nyina nkamfu ano enya no ne ye be ka ho asem ba be kirikire mu na emom ye kire ne ene Supreme Court ye nyina ye Supreme Court ewo Ghana edi ababetu dwa say yewra Joseph Osei Owusu otimi etuaba because oye deputy speaker of parliament only speaker of parliament ontimi tuaba aye ye nimu a ye papa Aban Sumana Bagre onno ontimi tuaba efso onyemre shebedwani Aban Sumani Babin emrese bujafo no ene yi no anunti ontimi entoaba ni dwumadi a odie ne se obeye be referee na watimi akire baby a yede emra no eto especially parliamentary responsibility parliamentary orders any niema eso moye e wo parliament anu na Aban Sumani Babin oye mu referee no wakire no de yie atoye e wo afamienu ni nyina ana afamiensa ni nyina together with the independent no ye hwe bedwamu a ana se parliament wo no a MPP e wo 137 but Adams formula ede ne dia beka ho nti MPP aye 138 na ebase ye kwakoto aba na yewra Aban Sumani Babin oni parliament a ne a wo ye nyina ne se osori a e was one of the deputy speakers no ebetina dwanim eno na edi mpenche aba Ghana Emma enam so say aban dwumadi opeso odie especially budget here aban e was so pass ba Ghana for hwe yi because abatu budget we na Ghana aban entimi pass ye no e be yire aban dwumafo ye be kan wasem aban dwumafo enya katua enipa bebre enya katua e wo saa enema ekoso wo Ghana parliament ye besre Ghana parliament for say omo hwe ruling ye ekoso yi na omuntimi fa yie antu yie me ati se Haruna Idrisu wakasa ana Joseph Osewusu so ono so akasa omu nyina sama o maka no ye be boro tofa de abremo sabre yewra ayoko otu ono so ye former attorney general na ono so di nanu atum ensama ekoso o Ghana no eye na esie ni nyina ne se ya papa bi a ye freno justice ono na ekodon Supreme Court say penche ama no ho mere so ewo Ghana parliament efo se deputy speakers betimi ato aba anaso omuntimi nto aba no ano betimi a kire o ma adwene no ene me de bre etiefo se Ghana Supreme Court atena se akasa say you and okre say deputy speakers no ombetimi ato aba ni nyina kemfu ano NDC for enti wo mo ho ase omo say ebe den no obi a odi referee sakotoko ani ha se kobobo na omakofa referee abeginem na referee say obeka ha ase ho na we dey serving premiers NDC for we dey nya board bo ase mo we yemra because emre bia ye hye no oban Ghana mu no Supreme Court and the supremacy of every law no is our constitution. Enti se emre bi ni emre bi bo abura constitution na be kire be bia yemfa emra ne nto eno na enam so omuso mbe interpretate the constitution no the Supreme Court, the only sole body on betimi aka Supreme Court a constitution no asem yehwe uko the standing orders in parliament e kire se emrese bedwafo no kwa ne wo emra ena se omo wo tumi se omo betimi aye nsakraye e wo omo hihye mu sa mreja emrese bedwam fo dwumadie mu no anaso omo nsam kan mu sa akro ya so na constitution so aka se mra no ne emra bi bo abura constitution no ene the supremo enunti enen sama akoso say the Supreme Court rule say deputy speakers betimi ato aba no ene yesi nyina askanians ya ditum ade we nye MPP anas NDC for asem ebedu baabi ebia na aba be ye wo NDC ni ebia na aba be ye wo CPP ni the politics in Ghana no now no is so annoying and so upsetting because obi am person de no kra beto baabi an no kra ne da enti ekobasa wo ka no kra na waye atamfo. This is not about so biya diska. This is not about so being an ye. This is about what the constitution has interpreted, and that is what we all believe as Ghanaians, and we need to stand and defend the constitution. Yewra ayiko otu anso di nanu atum say constitution deputy speaker so metimi ato aba no mutimi nto aba Supreme Court rule no Supreme Court enu for bebia Supreme Court enu for our parliamentary rules biemu if it says parliamentary rules no wom say parliament for NSHMRA, but to be honest with you and me parliament omutimi interpret emra. We have three arms of government: the judiciary, who interpret law that the parliamentarians have made, the legislature, who is the same as the parliamentarians, then we have the executives, then we the media and also know the fourth realm of affair, because we become a referee, we become a spectacle. I just share a diamamu, and we say ni aban we anasa enye. Media match the margin. osu wo ha osu timi kire wadwene ema yemfa ntokwa enye adwenkyere Haruna Idrisu Awakasa eye NDC minority leader wakasa na ne sankaye mu no medie mani anyo efise se wo ye parliamentarian a wo hyemra na wontimi nkire emrase na Supreme Court etimi akire mra na se you entokwa amoku o parliament ni nyina no entokwa hunu because deputy speakers ebetimi ato aba yen kase yewra babin he was ignorant about the issue no onim emra no ho enti onu so betena so no ogitum say deputy speakers enu kwan so moto aba ba meanwhile no emra kunu ni na yewo edibo Ghana fo ho ban no sa mra kunu ye na ena yede ye bibia enti sa mra yi ena yetimi ede ye bibia de a ene na me ka kire ye nua bema Haruna Idrisu say edum pempen so a ewo se omomma sa kitikiti ene mempre honhom ne suban bi na yekoso Ghana no omutwa so. We cannot sit in a country I am the rule of law enye djuma and this inform kwa na se bibi nko yi a Ghana lawyers and judges nyina belonging to MPP, which I disagree with you. There have been many cases, sir, and this has won. It is a neno mo ya de na mo twi esrani abasa na mo ntimi hu se ade ya ye etia no ye ntia ye wo etia ma enchirima ene o man Ghana fo a adenti ntimi fa differences ento nchen na ne mra no okini no a kire se yenya no ye hweso no yenye na mo mutimi betena so se ompene because you are a minority and you are in opposition and you want to come to power. Nobody begrudges you. But sometimes you guys need to tell us the truth. So, mumienu no obia wanafa. Ni obetimi abedi asem amaye nyina timamufuo. Wiase afa na nyina yetimi ate ho asem. Eno ni the Supreme Court. Let us at least give the respect to the authority, to the institutions. Because they say na ebia ena MPP wa ba mu a ebedu bia emfie be kakra eda yanimu yi NDC ba saa na mo be pese ne constitution no ebeka ena mo de be ye adwuma. But at the same time na constitution ye adwuma no eno de mo mpre. This is double standard. When you are in your position, nothing seems good for you, even when it comes from the constitution. But we can all attest to the fact that this 1992 constitution, it needs review because one body and establishing this constitution, which is the NDC, who brought this constitution. Ghana constitution a NDC for the buy. 1992 constitution a NDCs. It is a number the abane the year Juma. Niebe kobiano antisi be review ni die. Niebe kobiano I was say we have to understand. There is one thing we also want to establish. Say, NDCs no. Sometimes you guys need to be patient a little bit. Because Mama Ghana are boiling to a certain level. I must say obia kasa oni abutre. Motamu ikwa muko position anytime you have position there is chaos, there is rout, there is problem in Ghana. As Ghana as yebeweni. Let me say this, and I'll continue to say this without fear or favor. Yabre yen nyina nim say Ghana nkoye. I will tell you that. But maybe so. Me am wa America na hakoye debi. Aha nkoye. Obi wa Australia, o friends is here, nkoye Canada, Germany, Europe, wherever they are. No place is safe. No place is safe. That is why I always try to advise my people in Ghana. Say, mommy and take it time. Share adi pebi eba uncheya. It take it time. So what do we need to form power? It is not about some propaganda. I'm not doing any propaganda. I don't get anything from them. But you see, Omampeni Akufuado. So what should him remo? And Yama why here with Sa and Pepesue where? So whether you are NDC or you are MPP, you give this man a thumbs high. Why am I saying this? This is the only government. Why Timmy put Nyama Bebre together? Why yeah? Nyo Timmy yes Eguso. This is the government. Otimi had me to say yes, and Yaman Koye. What can we do as country? It will name there anyone more than now one. Bring it in. Just recently, Yera, Dr. Kwasibochi, Wakasa, or the Nyama Bear and Nai Elumbi Asia to Kwemu, Ama buying say, a buying brother, me Chemadrin, and Tifa. As some of mine kaya me a year me yikakra and say. A bra MPP for nya abanya so. Abetra abanya so. Encrophobic catch them say MPP ya no mo be yi. You need to be careful because on becho and as on be harazo. I don't think that this is how we have to go as a country. If you want him be person put to adi boa on my Ghana without fear or favor, just do it. Whether you are NDC, you are MPP, you are CPP, don't fear anybody. Just come out. I support the disagreement regarding the e-levy. People are exploring their disagreement, which is fine. That is called democracy. And also, and a yoho. And Kabima Kabimino, and yes, so which the Wadina Mitra Madri. And yan tokwa, and yan did the attempt. Chilawadini, Mitra Madri. It is albino. If you say acquire me for so many skinny. Yes, to say, Yampre. A dear botany, a dear my buying, say, and I say, yes, you should dear, dear my buying, say, buy. Yampreno. Yes, you dear. Anuti, yes, so say, Obedia too. And I buy near de Mayeno, as Sondodo, entity so. Your best say. So, on my Ghana. They say, a drew me no also so. Say, be ye be at wasso. Send ye yura if remamo a kayan. Send ye yura if remamo a kayan. And not your best say. We have to devoid of insult, but we have to be more constructive, come together as a country. Nayentimi entre adwene. Adwene di mpumtuo ebeba. Dan say ebinim sorry a near wage war, near wage for coup, near wage for it won't help Ghana. We all know, say we all know 100%. But Yambusa say, near no teso dadano, then Yamakoye na Debbie. Near no teso and son and near a Domahama, Ebano, now also need a kufuo, Yamapa kufuo. Nani die koyana Debbie. Rollins nani die koyana Debbie. Because it tells you say development is a gradual process and nothing will be perfect. Mekai ebra yesusa na yehu politics kakra. Na ye politics wo Ghana. Omo ye politics wo Ghana. Kuroba nyina na ye che. Na ye di friend say sikai Boto, I saw all those things. Who were doing it? And these people were doing it at that time. Then it got to a point and Tuma no more check and more any idea. But then nobody would do that. Obienu Albert say, "Ya di Kuraba Baba Chawa Obeji." And then the Tuma Baba Chawa Obeji because you present to Wagner. That is not the issue. The issue is to say do bia nimdia ni nyansa ni awonde na aba. Ndo bia fa ni nimdia ene ni nyansa ni adwuma. That is what we need to do as a country. country chichiri no enya ba akofo eye nyina wonsom oni nipa ye de empanifo ato boma so ne sori aye horo won sabi brothers a papa ne akufo ado anka ope o papa ne John Mahama anka ope but that doesn't mean so mo ya de na nya wonka eno ana akufo ado kai but if one of my leaders if the leaders are doing something wrong, it is embedded on you to say it, but say it in a very polite and respectful way. He also says there are so many evil spirits among us, and this evil spirit show no respect. Because the evil spirit among us always agitate and call for chaotic movement situations via emma oban koso. Your oban bo a oman no bibia tetia pansam na ne yebedie enko ne yedwene ho yenwene yenkanko yenwene yedachi dare da nyina yedwene ba bia ewo ene yechi oman a police ni timi koka am robbers ho akobo kro no omanya police ni ana bank for bank workers etimi ko bokro no ni ebi hihye ho ebokro no oman etisana no omanya ye discussion obi nsase kokko ye adwuma so we a opese odis kan ko ye adwuma no nemo benya so mfaso bra ye sentua deka omanya ya ma obi contract no akodi contract na fi aban nipa bi ho na aban nipa no ehwehwe se onfa hu percentage emre no miwa enti se basa omanya corruption adidi ankronkro biemu wo Ghana wo yi nipa 10 esi ho a emu 90 ana emu 9 eye corrupt asofo ye corrupt politicians ye corrupt ordinary citizens corrupt public servants corrupt. Nobody seems to be the rightful person to lead the Ghana. Enti yeso ani ye wi ya ana eboye. Yeso ani ye leaders a ani ye nyan. Ba san kitimi ye nyina ye dwuna dwempa. Nke pesi ye yi. Ya wa ha ani enya convenience. Fix the country convenience. Ebaye. So I'm about to fix the country. Or calling the government to fix the country. Yawaha and your team penche si omuntem fiskanti. Yawaha and your tis a conveniency and tokwa esi omuntem because of money. Because of obi agenda. And no oman penika the selfish interest. Your political interest. Yam fam to nchen ni adwene se ye nyina ye adwuma so aboa oman Ghana na emon what we are doing no and say ye hwehwe the downfall of every leader bi ade ni besi ho and na Ghana for hwehwe wo de Mahama ba I will tell you the half of the country will wish him the downfall wo sa na kufu adu tue sa na bebre ehwe no downfall kofa Yesu Kristo fisoro abetra Akunyano so as a president for Ghana, Obi be reaching the downfall. My question is, until when can we stop all these things? When? When can we stop all these things as a country? The pull him down spirit of Ghanaians. No matter where Ghanaians find themselves, everywhere they find themselves, they wish people pull him down. When you Ghana ni ye adwuma wo ye wadwuma so no or pese wo ye hwewa wa se atwede the ladder that you are climbing on obi e ka no koni atwesa ladder no afri wo na ase no wa hwefom awon ye ahunhun e wo Ghana fo mu wo bo ho modin hwe wo busua ana uyo we japade ana uyo we dwuma no na obi tinche na ye ne ya. That spirit of inconsistency, that spirit of pull him down, and they come Ghana. And it's not about the government. It is about you as an individual. Oman penny, me kai sebra COVID imu yedini. Oche omani su, oche omani electricity, oche omani aduane, otua teacher for free. All government workers, he was paying them. But I also remember, or say, the economy in there, we can bring it back. We can bring the economy back. But we can't bring the dead back. Yentimi fe nipa emma back beam. So umo obi wa ontimi ensenya ne no beam. Yenye Yesu Kristo. Eto ni de say or hweso oman no obebo obi bia ho bai. At the same time bra COVID no mu ye yi no o ka kire oman ne say emre emu odin beba na se ba so obehia emwa aye nyina de beboa no. Afede de na asesa. That inconsistency spirit, that is what I'm talking about. That I need the honest a war so good anymore. Only will be any problem. A free hope pet, only will problem. Politics ama ya divided in the country. Because the Nukrana I say in Yanka. MPP ni be jina obeka ni say. MPP ni NDC ni so be jina obeka ni say. Yakwai anaye bai. We need to change. It's not about change the government or the government. Change our attitude. Our attitude can support whoever government is in power. Because on my who say, and now man penino tisunu who say, a me man for dear, say en omotie, say en omushe. Na man farmer omwa, say en ombeye. And it's debia combat naswa. They will be more conscientized. Yawaha. Make en chair crano. Yewra mahama di Ghana for them. Say yare refi. And indeed, yes. It was a bitter pill to swallow. But it's a fact. I'm not wondering. I don't wonder why. And I say, and yami one piece say Trump cracker say Africa is a shithole. I'm not supporting that, but the behavior that is we are putting up every now and then shows every level of a shithole. Yes, but we need to rescind our decisions. When you're going to be Abanduma na wo ye na eso wo hwe ne aban de hye wonsa no okotena wo abanduma eso ye 8 hours no wo the only 1 hour and etena office ne e wo se ono so ko field e ko hwe so ko ye aduma no wo the only 30 minutes ko field so no assign ko fie. How can such a country be built up? Also to way wo si aban enye hwe. Do you know how much it go waste in the government sector? Abundance say any nisika, any na wording echo waste in the system. If you really know, so can you all the system, those systems now. And Kabum say, and I want to know ye complaining, can you complain? Ghana ye edidida, and yet I can't say I was say a ye edidida, as I say ye edidipreco. And so Ghana ye edidipreco, mine. We think about what we will eat today, not tomorrow. Yeah, the boy wants to for him say, I did chain our bedroom in your home. Because we think that we are so religious, and you're taking your old Bible, near the Abe apply our system. No. At the champion who are bedroom in your home, you have to think about it. It is over $1. Now bet me a chemu be mienu miensa. Ama de chene na de chi kura towa. Do it. And go out there and work. The freebies in the system, no, obia pebibia finchim, obia pebibia in every corrupt way. How would that, help us? Oye obia juma na oye no. What dwene ne say? That be be ye wusu adwuma. Okwan pa be na wo fa so say that be wusu be ye wusu adwuma. Ni nyina ne say okwan wo fa so ne say, wo wie obi sika. Enti mpaboa no say 2 na oton ya. Obeka say 1 na oton ye. Sentoma no say 2 na oton ya. Obeka say 1 na oton ye. Obi tomatoes a woton wudi ni dwa, ne store a wotie a wudi dwa no. Okoton na ade a, wo enyema a woton no. A ya hihye no. Obetimi aka mboso mienu na aka kiro nwa sefo ba kotumi wo ofie. When you omaya team omaya electricity enye digitize into obi ba ho ebe ready meter obe ready meter no di bia ka ho oso pese me di be ka ho dia ene ma biska no so agiska na pa wa bo ato agu. That is such your mind. Omaya prices see a ton ampaboa we anatade we anantoma we ye ton 50 cedis a SSK you want standard pricing system e wo Ghana no obeko baby no sa ampaboa ye ton 50 no aha a different price aha a different price obia is thinking about corrupt. We have corrupt mind. You're thinking about corruption all the time. How we can sustain just a day. We are not thinking about how we can move on as a country. The individualistic mentality, the individualistic attitude, but not believing in a country as a build-up country, a country that we all have to come together and do. That is a country that people fight against. And today we are near the Sobo boy leaders. And Kufuado Nyejuma, and Mahama Nyejuma, and we sir, you see, what they do, man, in Cocoa Board. Now, what to me, efa kwatikwa enyesi kase efri abanwa. Amran so mu so ye benya titafo abeta wachi. Na sien sama ebi e koso court me pese me kan wasem. Onyonko agya tum say yes indeed. Sikari ebedi ni nchen. And so see yenya enkrofo almost support no because he belongs to political party. Obi abedi semfo a no de no political party. Send ye be ya sa ban ko obeba na obehwehwe nsemu no ohwehwe mo ebeka say witch hunting. Eno na Ghana fo egusu. Eno na Ghana egusu. Yeche. Who comment bia you can pass it on. Mimi woni say edum pepen so a unya kwanya say obekasa. You have to speak your mind and don't hesitate. Yedibesia Ahaya AK97 TV. Unya kwanya ya subscribe na share. Other handles, social media handles, AK97 YouTube, AK97 TikTok, and Instagram. Edamasi. Utie comment here. And as utie video, you can pass your comments. And let us build a country. And do me no so. See be biatuaso. We don't have to look at what someone is doing. Abide say, or ye be na kasa. Yeah, the leaders. We have every right to talk. But let us be so more constructive than destructive. Na yen shemwa abino. Na ni say ye. Because they say me problem pa ni say. Me problem pa any say. They say abeya aban betua ye nuanom ne ye papa nom ne ye maame nom aka March idi koi if you say free March be 27th e de kono aban 8 min tua Ghana for ka if you say the budget yem pass ye ye ne nuanom nkasa wo Ghana bra Supreme Court age atum say enye be ekoso wo parliament no e wo se omusia no kwan no mu twa so no na mumma deputy speakers no so nto aba no omo hwe so do omo nye na yenya sanity our system nim na yemfa respect ema ye ho na o my Ghana no enye nkoso bedamasi shalom.